everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today is 22nd April and 22nd April is celebrated worldwide as Earth Day. This cap that I have here is a very special one. I got this in class 8 when we participated on behalf of our school in Earth Day celebrations at Teen Murti Bhavan in Delhi. As citizens of the Earth, it is our responsibility to protect this beautiful planet that we have and make sure that the resources are not wasted or polluted in any manner. So today through this video I want to talk to you about a few things, a few activities that you can do in your day-to-day life to prevent climate change and to preserve the resources that are available to us. So here it goes. So there are a few simple things that I do and even you can adopt in your daily activities, like carrying a water bottle with you, carrying a travel mug with you, some things like carrying a handkerchief and carrying a cloth bag when you're going for shopping. These things help you to cut down your single-use plastic use you won't be using plastic bottles if you're carrying a bottle with you. You won't be purchasing single-use plastic bottles. You won't be consuming anything in plastic cups or paper cups. You'll be using a travel mug like this one, which is made with processed bamboo and food-grade silicone lid. Taking a handkerchief with you always helps you to prevent the use of paper napkins or paper towels. These days we also see new innovation in the markets, that is stationery like these, which is newspaper pencils, recycled paper pencils, which are also plantable. These are plantable pencils which come with seeds of different things like chilies, ladyfinger, spinach and all these things. There are plantable notebooks as well which come with covers which are made with seed paper. So these are a few things that you can adopt in your daily lives. Apart from using all these items, you can also do a few other things like portion controlling your meals so that you do not cause any sort of food wastage, turning off the lights when not in use. When you're washing your hands for 20 seconds, do not keep the water running for 20 seconds. Only use the water when you're done with rubbing soap on your hand and you want to wash it away. Do not take a shower, take a bucket bath instead. These are a few things, few small steps you can take to make sure that we do not pollute our resources, we do not exploit or waste our resources that we have, and we ensure that the life on this planet survives for a longer period of time and the future generations to come also have sufficient resources for themselves. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, if you learned something from this video, make sure to hit the like button. Tell me in the comments below what steps are you taking at your personal level to fight climate change. Let me know in the comments below and I will be replying to all your comments out of this studio facility that I have in New Delhi. And to stay updated with all the videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Stay indoors, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.